Hola clase, hope everybody's doing well. I moved this off to the side, kind of at a weird angle, kind of get rid of, so I can move that thing, because I'm using the projector. So anyway, I get a big old glare right in the middle, so I kind of moved off to the side. Okay, so we're gonna do the workbooks, the first one. This is, sorry, it's resource book. Resource book cinco y seis. All right, these are the affirmative 2 commands. So if you remember from the notes that the affirmative 2 command on a regular verb is just the el, ella, or usted form of that verb in the present tense. That's all it is. So these are going to be the same. So if you look, again, if we do our little verb chart here, this is the form we're looking for. That's going to be this one, and it's also going to be the affirmative 2 command. So for practicar, we have practique. Practique is my stem, and then the a on the end, and it's the same over here, practica. So this means he or she practices, and this is practice the piano. You're just giving them directions, okay? Editar, edita, edita. Same thing. They're going to be the same on both sides. Let's do, comer is come. So he or she eats. And when you change it to a 2 command, it's like, eat your dinner, come la cena. Okay? So again, these are going to be the same on in both columns. All right. Let's go down to the bottom ones. All right, these are some irregulars. All right, so I'm not sure, this is kind of weird to me, that why they're making you do the yo form of the present. This makes more sense when we do the negative 2 commands, which this one, again, we work off of the yo form in the present, but to do the affirmative 2 commands doesn't make any sense to me. But anyway, we'll fill them out anyway. So here you have salgo, and of the affirmative 2 command is sal, okay? Again, I don't know. Venir is vengo, and the affirmative 2 command is ben, okay? So you're gonna have tango, digo, pongo, and then use your affirmative 2 commands off of your notes from the irregular section, okay? And down here, they even got more creative, where they want you to write the yo form in the present tense, the el, ella, or usted form in the present tense, and then the affirmative 2 command, which they're all 3 different. So I'm not quite sure what they're doing here. So yo form is soy, el or ella is es, and the affirmative 2 command is se, with an accent. Okay? No. Ir is boy. The el or ella is ba, and then the affirmative 2 command is be. And I don't know if I put an accent when we did the notes, but it does need an accent. That way you don't get it confused with the verb be, to see. Okay. So if you can do hacer here and do these 3 up here, then we'll be good. Let me flip it over and we'll go over the back side. Okay. Actividad 4. All right. Notice we have a few of these. We kind of intermixed with the regulars and the irregulars. This one is irregular, ir, so you need to use your decir is irregular, comprar is good, editar is good, hacer is irregular, venir, yeah, that's irregular. I'm trying to think. Ser is irregular, salir is irregular. Okay? All right. So again, for filmar, you just go write the stem, and then filma, do the el or the ella form. So film the documentary. Escribe. Again, we're just using the el or ella form in the present tense. Write the script, or is that what it is, script? I think that's what it is. Okay, and then ir, our irregular form is be. Go to the movies. Be al cine. Okay? All right, so just use your list for your notes on these irregulars to put those in there. All right, let's do the bottom 2. Actividad 5 y 6. Okay, this one is, it not only wants you to do the to form, but it also wants you to attach the pronoun, okay? So we'll do it two ways. So it says the actress learns the scene. She's learning the scene. Sounds kind of weird, but anyway, we'll just put it. So now we're giving her directions. Learn the scene. So it doesn't change anything. So we go aprende, right? Because this is the el rey form in the present tense. So that now also works as our command. Aprende la escena. Wow, I didn't realize that was going to be so squeaky. Okay, so that's now we're going to change la escena to la, and we're going to attach it. So we're going to say aprendela. And then we got to add our accent as well. Okay, so first one is, unless it's irregular, like this one's irregular, we'll do this one too. But you just use the same verb and then the object. And then in the second one, you're going to make the object into a pronoun and then attach them. So aprendela. Okay? Now, this one, I'm not going to do all of this stuff. But remember, dice comes from the verb decir. And that's one of our irregular ones. And so the to command form is di. That you should see that on your list. Di las palabras. And I'm not going to write the rest of that, but... So it's saying, say the words in the microphone. So, di las palabras, I should put a ... there, huh? It's not going to be there when we do our pronouns. Okay, so say the words in the microphone. So now we're going to, las palabras en el micrófono, all that's going to change to las. So say them. So now we say, di las. That's all we need, di las, okay? Does that need an accent? No accent needed. Okay. So then do the same thing. So remember, poner comes from, or pone comes from poner. That's one of our irregular ones. Ley is already, it works. That's regular. Trae also works. Aprende, we did that one up here. That one works. And then busca works. Oh, this is a CA. So let's do this one. So ella busca el guión. So now we're telling her look for it. So we say wait, hold on. No, that's only negative. No, it still works. It still works. Busca el guión. Okay? And then we just say búscalo, right? El guión is going to change to lo. So we say, so our command with the pronoun is búscalo. Okay? All right. I thought that was going to change because of the C, but that's when the negative. When we make it a negative command, then we run into that spelling with the cargar sar verbs. Okay? Okay, so you can do the rest of those in the middle there. Okay, down here it says answer the questions using an affirmative to command. So they're asking, do I do this? Do I organize? Do I practice? Do I read? So do I bring the breakfast maybe to the actors and actresses? Yes, bring them. Okay, so we're going to say, always going to be yes, do this. Whatever you just asked me, yes, do it. So do I organize the documents? Yes, organize them. So we're going to say sí. And remember, organiza the okay, so we're going to change this to organiza. Right, we're going to change that to the el rey form. This is the yo form. We're going to change it to the el rey so it makes our command form. And then we're going to change this to los. So organizalos. Organizalos. Okay? So should I organize these documents? Yes, organize them. Okay? Do I make the copies? Yes, make them. See, and remember, this comes from hacer. It's irregular. So as is my command, and then las copias would change to las. Sí, hazlas. Make them. Okay? Do I practice these scenes? Yes, practice them. So estas escenas will change to las. Change that to the el or the ella form because that's a regular verb, practico. Leer is going to change to ley, right? Okay. Anyway, hopefully that's enough. That's enough examples. If you do have any questions, message me. So work on these, and I will send out the answers tomorrow. Okay, miss you guys. Stay safe.